So Stiefel established itself here in 1975. So the product range of Stiefel is all to do with dermatological type of products in liquid form around bath emollients and shampoos, and also in creams around moisturisers and acne treatments. The Stiefel company was a family-owned company and a global US multinational. I suppose in time a family company reaches maybe its limit of growth, and it was time to sell on the company. And we were acquired in 2009 by GlaxoSmithKline. GSK, when we were acquired, bought the company to grow. We recognised that very early on, and with that growth comes opportunity. But we had to adapt very, very quickly. Everyone got behind it, so every person on the site engaged with that. In Sligo we have other large multinationals in the same pharmaceutical type of sectors as ourselves, so being able to get the science graduates that we need to grow the business hasn't been all that difficult, I have to say. And that's one thing about having a local college on your doorstep. I think 1,900 people graduated this year. 700 of those were around the science background. The IT in Sligo here are very collaborative with industry, and their door is always open. So when we look at the type of skills that we actually need, IT Sligo are always there to help us help them understand what they need for industry, and us understand what we need from an academic perspective. We are also currently putting together a degree in dermatological science. Basically, they were very keen to understand where the academic requirements were for us, and have developed curriculums for us as well to be able to do that. That will not only be delivered here locally, but it will be also supplied globally throughout our dermatological sites throughout the world. So that's very powerful from our location to be able to provide that service. The other thing I'd say as well, when we talk about attracting talent to the location, we have never found it difficult to get talent, and there's a number of reasons for that, in my opinion. First of all, the lifestyle choice here. Property prices in Sligo are relatively inexpensive now, and it makes it very positive for people to be able to move here. Along with the life of the outdoors, so for people who like the outdoors, be it the sea, Sligo is one of the top surfing capitals in the world, and the mountains. It's just terrific from a quality of life perspective. Well, the future for GSK here in Sligo is very, very bright. What we've seen here in the last 6 months probably would take years to do anywhere else, so it's speed of being able to deliver those collaborations. Very, very powerful, and I think that's where the Irish Government and IDA are really, really good at, is being able to connect institutions and individuals together to be able to make things happen fast.